after 1 week of this stick, 2 weeks, actually 3 weeks of this stick for the 2018 Accord Torsion Spring to hold the trunk up, I finally fixed it. Ugh, that was not easy without the tool. Let me try to explain how I did it. You gotta crawl in the trunk, crawl in here. The vice grip we didn't even need. So there's one on here. This was already installed. That's the hardest part. I had to buy these 2 clips. I'll leave the part number in the description. So these 2 clips I had to get, and this bar I had to change. So you put this one first. This part right here is gonna go through the little hole, and then this right here is gonna go on the edge, like that. When you get to here, I would think I would use vice grips, because you have to put so much pressure to actually get it to bend and go in between these 2 clips. But what I did was take this off, this little piece here, it slides up. You can just take that out. If you're not using the special tool, take this piece out, then you take these 2, take this, bend it this way towards the trunk, and put them in between these 2 pieces here. Once that gets snapped in there, it seems like there's no room to put this slider on. You just push this down, push this piece down here, and slide the clip straight down. Not easy, but it's manageable.